The 3 C's in your life: choices, chances, and changes. Firstly, choices. Every decision, no matter how small, contributes to the path of personal growth, showcasing your power to navigate life through the choices you make. Secondly, chances. Life is full of uncertainties and possibilities that can lead to positive changes. By taking chances, you open yourself to new experiences, challenges, and opportunities for growth. Finally, changes. Without making choices and taking chances, you may stagnate, and your life may remain static. Changes, whether substantial or subtle, are inherent in the process of self-improvement. The key takeaway